Rocky, where's your favorite Merry Christmas dog? He's not outside. Look, here he is, on the chair. Here's your favorite Merry Christmas doggy. Let's see what he's going to tell everybody. Rocky, say Merry Christmas, everybody.